Hi, I'm Nisha Patel, and welcome to the demo of SoulSync. SoulSync is a mini journaling app for people like me who have been trying to all their life but are not able to. The mini journaling allows to record snippets of your thoughts throughout the day. Like here, the first option we have is to create a maximum 1 minute long audio entry. Let's do one. I'm very happy and content today as I was able to submit a project. I worked very hard on this project and hope it all turns out well. That's it. And we say add journal entry. Okay, something went wrong there. We'll check it later. Um, Similarly, there are other options because people like to journal in different ways. So if someone wrote a handwritten note, they can click a picture and upload it right here. If they just want to type it out, whatever they feel, this is the text entry. However, there are people who need to talk to someone to express their emotions. So I've created a chatbot that responds depending on your previous entries. If uh, a journal entry was made on the same topic before, then the context of that can be used here, and it will be like someone who knows you and your thoughts is talking to you. Let's look into a little more detail of what happens in the backend side. So this is the code. Um, this is the journaling code. So basically, when we receive the audio file, we store it in the blob, and first we run it through the audio transcribe so that to get it into text. We create text embeddings from it so that we can use it as context later. We extract the top 5 uh, topics that are being spoken in the audio file, the sentiment analysis of it, and the text emotion recognition. So the text emotion recognition focuses on the sentence structure and the choice of words, and depending on that, it determines what is the emotion of the text. The second thing we do is speech emotion recognition. In here, we are sending the audio, and the audio is being checked for the voice modulations, pitch, tone, a lot of different things to figure out emotions from the voice itself. Similarly, we do the same for text entry. Text entry, of course, does not have speech emotion recognition. We have the same for document reading, again, does not have speech recognition, and chatbot. And for chatbot, we use all the user messages that user has communicated with uh, with its chat assistant, and we use those to create embeddings and do the rest of analysis. This is a good file as a starting point to figure out what is happening in this project. Also, for your reference, all my Azure tools are being in a folder, in Azure folder under utils, if you want to check that out. I also failed to deploy my own SER model, uh, but the code for it is also available right here. I will be continuing on this journey because I still have to learn from it and I would like to deploy it. Lastly, let's just check out what the analysis gives us. So let's go to all the journals. These are all the journals that were written, and so you can see we have audio entry, we have text entry, we have handwritten entry, we have chatbot entry, and we also see that it has a negative sentiment. The emotion here is sad. The speech emotion here is sad. Similarly, we see here same with text entry. The handwritten entry, it's quite neutral. It was just a generic note that I wrote, and also the entire chatbot entry. We see it's about 93% happy. Moreover, I also put this, ingested the code into Custo, and we looked at some of the graphs so that we see some analytics like emotion trend over time. Then we have the journal entry per type. We also have the most common emotions. So we can look at all these different graphs from the analysis that we make from a small mini journaling. Uh, that is all from me today. Thank you. Have a nice day.